Hi, my name is Nick Stefano, Business Services of Tampa Bay and eVideo Marketing, a marketing platform for your business. I'm also the author of the book, Who Sleeps in Your Skin? I'm a business consultant and coach with more than 30 years of international business experience as an entrepreneur in management and marketing. What I intend to share with you are some of the realizations that I have experienced while performing in the international arena. It is my intention to demonstrate to you the power that you have within yourself to make your life as pleasant and successful as you want it to be. Whether you are a student, a bus driver, or a business owner, you will experience the positive tools to reinforce your beliefs or to change your life at will. In this video, I want to share with you the Survivor Power Toolkit for Success. People ask me, what's in the bag? And I respond by asking them, what tool would you like in that bag? You see, the Survivor Power Toolkit, it's an imaginary place. It's an imaginary place to put your tools that you need to get yourself to where you want to be in your life, to be the person that you want to be. As we each are so unique in this world, so are the tools we need for success. There's no one else like you in this universe. There has only been one Elvis, one Einstein, one JFK, one Bill Clinton, and so it is with you. There is no one else like you. No one can do as you do. Although there are others who can do something similar as you, no one else is like you and can do as you do. To use these tools, you must realize just how unique you are in this universe. You must see yourself as the sole creator and author of the very tools that you will choose for your success. You must believe without a doubt that you are unique and that there is no other like you, period. You are not better than another, but you are unique. With that said, your tools of choice must be as unique as you are. Let's take a good look at the Survivor Power Toolkit. If there is nothing in the Survivor Power Toolkit, how can we discuss the power tools when there are none? Simply, you will build your own Survivor Power tools. But how can you build your own power tools when you don't know how or where to start? You start by believing first in yourself, believing that you do have the answers that you need, and that what you need is some encouragement to help you create your very own Survivor Power tools. There are 11 motivational power tools associated with the Survivor Power Toolkit that will help you get started and keep you focused on success. The first motivational power tool is the motivational power tool of choice, which we will discuss in our next video. The last motivational power tool we will discuss is the motivational power tool of courage. Without the use of the motivational power tool of courage, you will not be able to successfully use the other 10 motivational power tools. We'll discuss this more in detail in the coming videos. By now, you likely have the idea that the Survivor Power Toolkit is a manifestation of what you want out of life and what you want to achieve in your life and how to get what you want by selecting the very Survivor Power tools that you need for success. The Survivor Power Toolkit contains custom-made power tools exclusively for you. No one else can use your power tools. They fit only you. Let's get started in creating your very own Survivor Power Toolkit for success.